Today, we're going to test these hair straighteners on the same hair. By the way, here's my hair on a normal day. First is Yole. So, it's wireless and rechargeable. And usually, you will wait for the count to reach doon sa temperature na sinet nyo. For example, 160, 170. So, yun guys, yung 3 glides. As you can see, nawala yung bewang here. But I can still see the flyaway. Pero kung napansin nyo, talagang napa-straighten niya naman here. Feeling ko kung gagamitin niyo siya ng ilang beses pang i-glide sa hair, I think ma-achieve naman natin yung talagang super straight. Pero for now, I think we use the same number, like 3 lang na glides to see if ano ba talaga yung mabilis makapag-straight ng buhok. Next is this Philips and it's corded and one of my everyday options before. By the way, naka-plug na siya ngayon and try na natin siyang i-on. Wala siyang indicator ng temperature. So, you will wait talaga like hahawak-hawakan nyo kung mainit na yung bakal niya. So, we'll be using it again in the same section. And kung napansin nyo, ginulo ko na siya to see kung ano itsura niya after 3 glides. So, that's the 3 glides. And kung napansin nyo, talagang medyo nag-straight na siya, 'di ba? Talagang pansin yung ginamitan na ng iron. Pero at the same time, yung flyaway nandito pa rin siya. Kasi siguro kailangan talaga nitong buhok ko maraming beses na ng iron yung flyaway para naman pumasok siya sa loob. Lastly, the Kiss Hair Straightener. So, ito yung very premium na hair straightener that I own. Pakinggan nyo guys kapag binuksan natin siya. So, ganyan siya. And tutunog ulit siya after niya mag-set ng temperature. For example, 130 degrees yung pinili ko. Kapag 130 degrees na siya, yung init niya, tutunog ulit siya, saying you can now use it. And again, we're gonna use it on the same section with 3 glides or passes. And here's the result of Kiss Hair Straightener. As you can see, may nakatikwas pa ring makulit. Ito na lang. Pero all in all, yung part na nandito is pumasok naman. Ito lang yung hindi. So I guess this one is not really for 3 passes. But as you can see, pumasok naman yung iba and iba talaga yung pakiramdam kapag yung premium yung ginagamit ko. Comment on which one you think did the best and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!